let's make a Santa in a sleigh. I got all of these things at a dollar store, but I'm sure you can get them at Walmart as well. You need 2 candy cane tube candies, so these are full of jujubes. You can get them with Smarties or M&Ms or such in them as well. And then you need some kind of box chocolate that's thin. That will be the bed of the sleigh. And you need a Santa. And you need a foil wrapped Santa or a stuffy or something, if depending on how elaborate you want to go. This was about $7 or $8. So you also need Scotch tape. If you choose, you can put ribbon and other things on it as well. I'm just keeping it simple because this is for a 2-year-old. So you take your candy cane and make a runner for the sleigh out of it, and you just tape that on. Come on, stick. And you use the Santa at the back of the sleigh. If you have ribbons, you can put ribbons from the Santa to the runner so that it looks like he's steering it. I've put a tape loop on the bottom, and I'm putting a tape strip down his back. I'm going to take these other candies and I'm going to tie down the strings. They're meant to be tree ornaments, but I'm just going to tape them down to the top of the sleigh. So it's not just Santa standing there looking silly. Now you can add extra bows and extra ribbon and cords and strings and anything to this as you like. This is going to be dismantled so quickly, and it's really just for that special Santa was here kind of impact. I'm going to put a little strip across the front here too, because my Santa keeps falling over. So there we have Santa on a sleigh. You could put another box of chocolates here, something that's a little more upright. You could put something behind him. In this case, it's for a 2-year-old. This is more than plenty candy for a 2-year-old, and I'm sure Mommy and Daddy will help. And if I wasn't doing this in front of the camera, I would have made it a little more carefully. I just kind of whipped this together. But there's your concept. Santa's sleigh.